time. So there are proofs to show that a plant is mature. These proofs are called flowers. Welcome to Science Series. I'm Marilyn, and today we'll be talking flowers. So like I said, flowers are a proof that a plant is mature. Now without flowers, a plant cannot reproduce because the flower holds the male and the female reproductive part of a plant, which is the stamen and carpel. Now, the female reproductive part of a flower is located at the center. It is held up by a style, and at the end is a sticky top called the stigma. Now, the stigma attracts the pollen grains, and below is a wide base known as the ovary. The male reproductive part of the flower is held up by what we call filaments, and we have the anther, which produces the pollen grains at the top of the flower. Now, the anther contains the male reproductive cells. Now, take note that for a plant to reproduce, for a flower to regenerate seeds, it has to be pollinated. So what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. Now, a flower can be pollinated by insects, other animals, water, and wind. Now, a flower can be self-pollinating or cross-pollinating. Now, when we talk of self-pollinating, it means the pollen grains move from the anther of the plant to the stigma of the same plant. But in cross-pollination, the anther moves, the pollen grain moves from the anther to the stigma of another plant. Thank you.